Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing my Google Home Mini. It will be a little bit shaky because I don't have my tripod and I'm not at home right now. It also came with an adapter for the European zone. Here on the side we have the major companies that are compatible with the Google Google Home. This is the startup lines with which you can interact with Google Home. Here is my Google Home, the standard edition, which is the first, and this is the mini. They both have basically the same features, so no difference between that. Let's get rid of the foil. After I got my update to the Note, it actually doesn't have a Pro video and you cannot set up the manual autofocus, so it's a bit of a bummer. Here down on the box you have the opening ripple. Let's tear through it. As you can see, the unboxing is a pretty nice one. Here is the speaker itself. Here on the bottom is rubbery. It has an micro USB connection for the power. So let's focus. Here is the physical mute button and nothing else. Let's get a big fast comparison to the Google Home. As you can see, the difference in height and the roundiness, so it's a little bit smaller, but it does the same thing. So basically only the quality suffers. Oops. I must have bent this. Yep. As you can see, here is some paperwork. Let's get started, guys. And down on the bottom is the AC adapter. Do I have anything below? No. From what it sounds, there's nothing below. Actually, this adapter seems so familiar with Google Home Hub, which I also have. Okay, putting this aside, let's connect the UK to EU adapter. Now that's a bummer. If you can see, it won't fit. Really good job. So I have an adapter that it doesn't fit. That's bad. To think I was happy with it, so I will have to disconnect my Google Home adapter and connect it to the adapter it came with. That really sucks. It's actually a crappy adapter. It's crappy because it's useless. That's why. Oh, the home mini is connected right now. Actually, the LEDs are flashing.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So that's it. I'll resume when I have it connected. After it loaded up, it requested a software update, so it's currently updating. It shows that it needs around 4 minutes to update, but I don't think it's the case, as I noticed with other Google Home. I will resume when everything is updated and started. To be sure that it only this Google Home picks up my voice, I'll be disabling the voice on Google Home.
The mic is muted.
Okay. And also I'll need to go to Google Home Hub to do the same. I'll be muting the both mics on my Note when I'll be asking, so you could not get my voice. Okay, Google. Show me the weather.
Currently in Oradea, it's 10 degrees Celsius and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be clear with cloudy spells, with a forecast high of 10 and a low of
Okay, Google. What's my name?
Your name is Doran.
This is the volume. So now it's maxed out. Okay, Google. What town I'm in?
On the website am-pm.nl, they say, AM stands in short for antemeridium, the Latin name for before midday or before noon. An example, 10.00 AM is 10 o'clock in the morning. With a 24-hour time, this is 10 o'clock. PM stands in short for postmeridium, the Latin name for after midday or afternoon.
Okay, Google. What's the president of the USA?
The President of the United States of America is Donald Trump.
Okay, Google. What can you do?
There are lots of things I can help you with. For example, you can say, tell me a joke, or set an alarm for 9 a.m. Do you want a couple more ideas?
No. Tell me a joke.
Okay, whenever you need help, just ask, what can you do? You can also see more examples in the Google Home app.
Okay, Google. Tell me a joke.
One joke, coming up, why do gorillas have such big fingers? Because they have such big nostrils.
Okay, so this was my unboxing and first start of Google Home Mini. Hope you enjoy it. I'll be coming with more videos of compatibility with other smart devices in my home. I will also be adding Philips Hue. I already have two RGB at home, and this is another three light bulbs. They are only white and dimmable, And I also have a smart plug from TP-Link. It's the HS110. It has the energy monitoring. So thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and have a nice day.